By answering surveys, you can easily earn up to $10 per survey on the SurveyLama website. Moreover, I can confidently say that this is a legitimate website. How can I say that? Because the Trustpilot ratings for this website are quite high, and I am basing my statement on that. Now, let's see how to register an account on this website and start earning money. Open your browser and go to the website SurveyLama.com. Enter your Gmail ID and password, then click on Register for free. Next, tick all the checkboxes and click on Continue. Now, click on Continue. Enter your name, gender, and date of birth. Then click Confirm. Congratulations! You have successfully registered an account on the SurveyLama website. Now click on Continue. You'll be redirected to the SurveyLama dashboard. To complete the registration process, you need to confirm your Gmail ID. Open your Gmail, find the mail from SurveyLama, and confirm your ID. As soon as I confirmed my ID, I was rewarded with 20 points. Next, click on Retrieve. Now, you can see that 20 points have been added to my account. These points are crucial because they can be converted into dollars. Let's check the dollar value of these points and the minimum withdrawal limit on this website. Here, it's clearly mentioned. 1 point equals 1 cent. The minimum withdrawal limit is $20, which means you need to collect 2,000 points. Let's see how to earn points on this website. Click on the dashboard icon at the top. Then click on Access My Surveys at the bottom. Here, you'll find a variety of surveys. For each survey, the potential earnings are mentioned clearly. Your only task is to click on these surveys and complete them. That's all you need to do on this website. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit of 2,000 points, let's see how to withdraw your earnings. Click on the My Profile icon at the top right. Scroll down and enter your PayPal email ID or Amazon email ID to register your payment information. Next, click on the My Earnings icon at the top. Here, you'll find detailed information about how many points you've earned so far and how many more points you need to reach the withdrawal limit. Once you've reached the minimum withdrawal limit, click on Withdraw My Earnings and the money will be credited to your account. Okay friends, that's how you can earn money using the SurveyLama website. If you have some spare time, give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, if you'd like to watch more videos about earning money by completing surveys, click on any of the videos displayed on the screen now. Thank you.